Hello and welcome back to Growing FPV. This video is going to be just me flying. That's it. Got some snow last night and I wanted to go out and just have some fun, and that's it. You know, originally I thought I was going to do a review of some sort or something, but you know what, I got out there and I'm like, you know what, I've been wanting to fly in like a snowy wooded area and figured I would just do that. And it wasn't exactly what I imagined, but it was fun. It was a little windy and conditions weren't the greatest, so I flew one pack on the iFlight Protek 25 and one pack on my Nazgul 5, and that's about it. You know, I used the Hero 9, ran it through Real Steady Go. I used that on a Nazgul 5, and of course I ran my Insta360 Go 2 off of my Protek 25, and that's it. I do have to apologize. I used my Lumix with a shotgun mic and a dead cat for my face cam, and I forgot to turn off the automatic wind noise reduction. So there's some spots in some of the video where I'm talking and it's completely just reducing the wind noise, but it's also reducing my voice as well. So I'm going to do what I can with that. If I can't bring up the audio on that, then I'll just put some subtitles in there, or just won't even add it to the video. So I hope you enjoy, and please click that subscribe and please hit that bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Welcome to Minnesota. I mean, look at that sky. I love winter skies. I hate the winter, but I love wintry skies. I mean, just gorgeous skies. And then in the area where you can't see it, the sun is actually sitting over there. It's actually kind of nice. You got the dark color, you got the contrast with the sun and the light and everything. But yeah, this is it's a fun place to fly the quad. There's never anybody here. Big open space. Plus you have these woods back here to go fly in. Yeah, I mean, you got all this open area here. It's fun. Alright, so I'm out here and I've flown here several times. However, if you hear that, there's some gusts picking up. It was really windy earlier today and it kind of died down. But it feels like it's picking up again, so I don't know, this might be a quick flight. It's actually pretty cool out here. You can see it's just all trees, and I've flown here before when it was green still, and it's actually pretty cool. There's a whole nother area up over there. It's just like this, but it's just up a little higher. It's a little more elevated. This should be pretty fun to fly. Let's have some fun. Oh, my shoes suck. Alright, so it is really windy out here, and if you're wondering why I just flew into a tree, it's so that I don't land in all of that stuff. So it makes my life easier that way. Okay, we're done here. It's too windy, and if you noticed in the footage on this, that it was getting buffeted around really well, really bad with this wind, and I don't feel like trudging through all this to find a down quad. So